advice about making money online that is easy to understand. Have you dreamed about quitting your regular job and working online? If so, you have come to the right place. There are plenty of people out there who no longer have to punch a time clock. Learn about the ways that you can start making money online. Eventually, you may even be able to quit your regular job. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Make out a daily schedule. You have to persevere to make money online. There isn't a way to make lots of money. Hard work is part of the deal. Make sure that you get up in the morning, work a set work schedule and have an end time as well. Just an hour daily will add up with the passage of time. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. You can make money online at home by doing research as an information broker. Many individuals and businesses need people to research information online and provide it to their advertising departments. Sometimes this is freelance work. Sometimes companies provide an actual position that may come with benefits. You can start out freelance, build your reputation, and then seek out a full-time position if you wish. Don't pay money to start earning money online. No reputable source of internet income needs money from you to work for them. Any company that does is likely in it just to take the fee and run. Stay away from these firms. Diversify your income streams as much as possible. Sometimes great sites and plans do not work out. What is popular can change with new technology. Therefore, it is in your own best interest to work for a few different people/businesses. This way, if you underperform in one direction, you still have different kinds of methods you could use. If you are feeling stuck in a rut with your current employment, working online could be the solution for you. You can make money in the privacy of your own home. These ideas are a wonderful place to begin. As you go along, you will surely discover more ways to make money. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.